Hello friends! Today, we are diving into the basics of SQL commands. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is used to interact with relational databases. SQL commands can be grouped into three primary categories. 1. Data Definition Language, DDL. 2. Data Manipulation Language, DML. And 3. Transaction Control Language, TCL. Let's explore each of these with examples and syntax. 1. Data Definition Language, DDL. DDL commands are used to define or modify the structure of a database. The first command is create. It is used to create a new database or table. The syntax for create command is as follows. Let's create a table named student. For this we will have to write the following query. In the given query, the table name is student and it has 4 columns. These are 1. Student ID, 2. Name, 3. Age, and 4. Grade. The column student ID is declared with integer data type and is also set as primary key. The column name has varchar data type and has a length of 50 characters. The column age is declared as integer data type and the column grade is declared as character data type with length as 2. After running this query, here is how your table looks like. Next command is alter. It is used to modify the structure of an existing table. The syntax of alter command is as follows. Let's see an example of alter command in a query. Here in this example we have added a new column address to the table student with varchar data type and 100 character length. Here is how your table looks like. Next command is truncate. It is used to delete all rows from a table without logging individual row in a table. The syntax of truncate command is as follows. Let's see an example of truncate command in a query. Here in this example we have deleted all the rows of student table. Next and the last command of DDL commands is dropped command. It is used to delete a table or a database. The syntax of drop command is as follows. Let's see an example of dropped command in a query. Here in this example we have deleted the complete student table. Let's quickly revise DDL commands. The next category of commands in SQL is DML, Data Manipulation Language. 2. Data Manipulation Language, DML. DML commands are used to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data in a database. Let me tell you about the different commands that falls under this category. These are 1. Select, 2. Insert, 3. Update, 4. Delete. Now let's discuss about each one of them in detail. 1. Select. The purpose of select command is to retrieve or extract data from a table. Its syntax is as follows. Here column 1, column 2 are different column or field names in the table. In the given syntax, we have also used where clause to give a particular condition. Let's see an example for better understanding. Here in the given example, we are selecting name field and age field from the table student. As mentioned above, the where clause is filtering our data according to column grade. Here data is filtered where the grade column will have the value as A. The next command is insert command. It is used to insert values or entries into a table. We can also say that insert command is used to add new rows of data to a table. Now let's see the syntax of insert command. Here value 1 is entered into column 1, value 2 into column 2, and so on. Different values are entered into different columns. Alternatively, we can also use another syntax to use insert command. In this syntax, we have not mentioned any column name. This syntax can be only used when we are sure about the sequence and data type of columns available in the table. Let's look at the example using both the method. Method 1. Method 2. Here is how your table looks like. Now let's move forward to our next command, which is update command. Its main purpose is to modify existing data within a specific row or rows in a table. Let's see the syntax of update command. Update table underscore name specifies the table you want to modify. Set column 1 equals value 1, column 2 equals value 2 defines the columns you want to update and their new values. You can update multiple columns simultaneously. Here, where clause is crucial. It filters the rows that will be affected by the update. Only the rows that meet the specified condition will be modified. If you omit the where clause, all rows in the table will be updated, which can have serious consequences. Let's quickly see an example. This statement will update the age column of the students table to 21 for the student with student ID equal to 1. Delete command. The delete command is used to remove rows from a table that meet a specific condition. Syntax for delete command is as follows. Here, table_name specifies the table from which you want to delete rows. Also, where clause filters the rows that will be deleted. Only the rows that meet the specified condition will be removed. If you omit the where clause, all rows in the table will be deleted. Let's see an example. This statement will delete all rows from the students table where the grade is F. Here is an overview of DML commands. The next category of commands is Transaction Control Language, TCL. TCL commands are used to manage transactions in a database. It contains some essential SQL commands for managing transactions: commit, rollback, savepoint, and set transaction. Let's discuss each one of them. Let's start with commit. The purpose of commit is used to permanently save all the changes made within the current transaction to the database. Its syntax is as follows. Let's understand it better with an example. In this example, the insert statement adds a new student record to the students table. The commit statement then ensures that this change is permanently saved to the database. Next, we have rollback. Rollback is used to undo all the changes made within the current transaction. This is helpful if you encounter errors or want to revert to a previous state. Syntax of rollback is as follows. Let's see an example. Here, the delete statement attempts to remove all students with grade C. However, the rollback statement cancels this operation, preventing any data from being deleted. Now let's talk about savepoint. Savepoint allows you to create a temporary checkpoint within a transaction. This enables you to partially roll back the transaction to a specific point without undoing all the changes. The syntax is as follows. Let me take you through an example. In this case, savepoint creates a checkpoint named before delete. The delete statement removes students younger than 18. Finally, rollback to before delete reverts the transaction back to the state it was in before the delete statement, effectively undoing the deletion. Finally, we have set transaction. Set transaction is used to define the properties of a transaction, such as its isolation level or read-only status. The syntax is as follows. Let's also see an example. This example sets the current transaction to read-only mode, preventing any modifications to the database. Here is an overview of commands. In summary, DDL commands define and modify the structure of databases, DML commands handle the data within those structures, and TCL commands manage transactions to ensure data integrity. Mastering these commands will allow you to work effectively with relational databases. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Visit our channel for more such content.